Ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to talk about the Pareto Principle. I'm going to teach you about what the Pareto Principle is and how you can use it in your life to help you become more successful. A little known fact is that I'm a Six Sigma black belt. And being a Six Sigma black belt, I have some understanding of the Pareto Principle. Now, my only question is, can I get this done in 2 minutes? Yes, I can. Without getting into the weeds about the Pareto Principle, what it is, it's the 80-20 rule. Basically, it means that 80% of the outcome is dictated by 20% of the causes. You can see this in a very simple example. You ever been working at a job and you notice that 5% of the people do 95% of the work? That's the Pareto Principle at work. Essentially, what it means is that if you've got negative issues, 80% of those negative issues are being caused by 20% of the potential causes, 20% of the equipment, 20% of the people. That's what's causing 80% of the negative issues. Same with the positive side. 80% of the positive outcomes you're experiencing can be traced back to about 20% of the different efforts you're putting in. Why does this matter for you? It matters for you because you are trying to be successful. You are going after goals in your life. You are trying to accomplish things. As you're doing that, you're doing many different things towards the goal. That combination of many things is getting you this much progress. 20% of the efforts that you are putting in are responsible for 80% of the progress you're making. It is your job to identify what those 20% of the effective causes are and lean into those. Start working towards eliminating the other 80% of things that is not working for you. Lean into the 20% that is working and get yourself to your goal faster than you ever imagined possible. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about Six Sigma or anything else we talk about on the channel, leave it down in the comments, hit us up, and we will have more content for this like this for you every day.